Excellencies, distinguished guests, dear friends, it is my deepest honor as the Ambassador-designate of the Federal Republic of Somalia to Japan to stand before you today on our National Day here at Expo 2025. In Somalia, poetry is our living constitution, our memory and our pride. On this day, allow me to present to you our nation through the words of one of our greatest poets. His name is Abdulqadir Hirsi Yamyam, and his poem is called Somali Banahay. I am Somali. I hope I will do it justice. waqtiyada socdaalka ah ayaamaha silsiladda ah xilliyada balsuure soo jire haddaad tahay sadarada dib ugu noqo Somali waa kuma. In these relentless days, if you are truly alive, look back on past times, trace the lines of history, and ask yourself, who is Somali? Sinanta la magacahay, san kunneefle mo ogoli, inuu igar sarrayn karo, anna garasho sogordahan, sooriya ruuxu gama dhigo, Somali baan ahay. I stand equal with all. No man may rise above me. I do not deceive and call it a gift. I am Somali. Ninna madax salaaxiyo kama yeelo seetada sasabada ma qaayibo sirta waxaan idhaahdaa saabaan biyaha celin Somali baan ahay. Neither flattery nor chains deceive me. Persuasion cannot mislead me. Secrets that betray me hold no weight. They are vessels that cannot hold water. I am Somali. dabayshaan la socdahay salfudaydna kuma kaco waabay sunaanahay marna samawadaanahay samir baan hagoogtaa Somali baan ahay. I move as swift as the wind, yet never act on impulse. I can be venom when provoked, or goodness when needed. Patience is my cloak. I am Somali. Inkastoon sabool ahay haddana waan sariigtaa sacabada ma horsado saaxiib nimaan nahay cadowgayga lama simo Somali baan ahay. Though poor I may be in wealth, I am rich in dignity. I do not stretch my hands to beg. With friends I am loyal. With enemies I never stoop. I am Somali. socdaalkaygu waa meel sahaydaydu waa dacar soodintaydu waa caan seeftaydu waa cudur naftuna geedka iga suran Somali baan ahay. My journey is long. My provisions are bitter as aloe. My borders are known. My sword brings danger. And my soul is hung from a tree, always ready for sacrifice. I am Somali. Nin isigay ma nabad galo. Nin isugayna mabajiro. Libta wali maan sii dayn. gardarana ma saacido nin xaqlena cid lama simo Somali baan ahay. He who harms me knows peace. None has ever defeated me. I do not surrender victory. I do not aid transgression, and the man of truth has no equal in my eyes. I am Somali. Nabadan usahansha colaadan kasalala soma jeesto goobaha ninka nabarka soo sida gacantiisa kama sugo Somali baan ahay. I am always in search of peace. I despise hostility. And yet, when battle calls, I wait not for the enemy to launch an assault. I am Somali. Ninkan taydu soli karin uma yeelo suurabo sida dunida qaarkeed ninna kabaha uma sido Somali baan ahay. To the one who rejects my ways, I do not bow to his will. Unlike in parts of the world, I am no one's servant. I carry no man's shoes. I am Somali. Ninka iga sadrono, siintaada magacale, ogow kaama sugaye, hana oran sasababadow, dareen seexda malihiye, Somali baan ahay. You who are wealthier than me, know that I do not wait for your charity. Do not say, deceive the ignorant. My conscience never sleeps. I am Somali. سام لكلا شران أهي سمدي أي كوة تال ردبا بري إسان يدي أنا حول صوف صدا حلم دنمو أنا سيدا Somali بان أهي. I am one hide cut into pieces, branded everywhere with the same mark. Once divided by others, while I tended my flocks, I now carry the burden of unity. I am Somali. Ladies and gentlemen, what you have just heard is the soul of Somalia. It tells of a people who carry their scars with pride, who guard their dignity even in hardship, who reach for peace with open hands, who never surrender their honor, and who remain one even when scattered across the globe. And so, here in Osaka, I speak not only as a diplomat, but as a daughter of that land, proud to say, Somali Banahay, I am Somali. Thank you, Osaka. Arigatou gozaimasu.
Arigatou gozaimashita.
Thank you very much, Your Excellency.